Yes, thanks for the time given to me. Let me introduce myself. My full name is Maria Angelina Boga. You can call me Jelin. I'm from Maupongo. I live in Malanusa. I'm from STKIP Citra Bakti Ngada campus. Thank you.
My full name is Sardiana Purwati Lugani. You can call me Diana. I come from Maupongo. I live in Malanuja. I from STKIP Citra Bakti Ngada campus.
Hi Diana, how are you?
Great. How about you?
Fine.
Can I ask you a question?
So what's up?
Will, I was just wondering if you like to go out this Friday.
Really?
Yeah, I was thinking we can get a bite to eat and get a movie.
That sound like fun.
Of course, we can do something else if you like.
No, dinner and a movie.
Will, what time will you like me to pick you up?
How about 7:30?
That sounds good, so I'll see you then.
Okay, cool.
Thank
Thank you.
you.